So first of all, find eccentricity by solving this equation. How to solve this equation? This is a quadratic in E. So if you solve this equation, you will get E square and 3 into 6, 18. So you can split this middle term as a 9E minus 2E plus 6 equal to 0. And now simplify, you will get E equal to 3 and E equal to 2 by 3. So this is hyperbola. So eccentricity of hyperbola is more than 1. So the E equal to 3 accepted and this one is rejected. Now we know that distance between foci S dash is equal to 2AE and foci are given. So what is the distance? 5 and 4. Total 9 distance is here. Now put here E equal to 3, you will get 2A3 is equal to 9. So you will get A is equal to 3 by 2 from here. Okay. Now you have to find B. So we know that B square is equal to A square E square minus 1. So from here you will get A E square minus A square equal to B square. So A is equal to what? 9 by 2. So you can square this 9 by 2 whole square, and A square is how much? 3 by 2 whole square. So this is 3 by 2 whole square. This will become B square. So B square is how much? LCM is 4. 81 minus 9. So 72 by 4 you will get 80. So B square is 80. Now what is the latus rectum? Length of latus rectum is 2B square by A, and 2 times B square is 18 and A is 3 by 2. So put here 3 by 2. So you will get, multiply this by 2, you will get how much? 24. So your answer is 24, length of latus rectum. Next question from quadratic equation. Alpha beta roots of this equation given and gamma delta roots of second equation. When alpha beta gamma delta form a GP with positive common ratio, then the value of P plus Q you have to find. So first of all write alpha beta gamma delta. So suppose this is AR square and AR cube. Okay. So alpha is A, beta is AR, gamma is AR square and delta is AR cube, because these are in GP given. And from relation you can get alpha plus beta is equal to how much? 4 from first. And alpha beta is here, A into 1 plus R is equal to 4. This is your first equation. Now from second, you will get gamma plus delta is equal to how much? 1. And from here gamma delta will become AR square, you can take common, 1 plus R is equal to 1. This is second. Now do second by first, divide second by first, you will get how much? R square, and rest terms are cancelled, this term and AR get cancelled. R square equal to 1 by 4. So R will become 1 by 2 because you have given positive common ratio. So no need to take negative part. Now R is, we get R from here. Now by using equation first, we will get A, because A into 1 plus R. 1 plus R is 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 4. So from here we will get A is equal to 8 by 3. So A also we get and R also we will get. Now we need to find P plus Q. P plus Q is nothing but, what is P plus Q? Alpha beta plus gamma delta. Alpha into beta is P and gamma delta is Q. Alpha beta how much? You can put from here A square R, and gamma delta will become A square R to the power 5. Put the value of R and A here, and after putting the value you will get your answer is 34 by 9. Fourth option is correct. Put and simplify. So this one is easy question. Next, function is given, then we have to find number of solution of fx equal to sin x. So first of all, find the limit of this function. So fx is equal to limit y tends to 0. Look here, given 1 minus cos xy. So 1 minus cos theta will become 2 sin square theta by 2 means xy by 2 into tan xy whole divided by, here given y cube. Now this limit is 0 by 0 form. If you put here, form is 0 by 0. Now how to solve this limit? You need to multiply here by xy by 2 whole square and xy also. Now multiply numerator also, xy by 2 whole square into xy. Now look here, this term will become 1 and tan xy by xy also become 1. So you will get 2 x cube y cube by 4 by y cube, limit y tends to 0, and this y cube get cancelled. You will get x cube by 2 from here. So your fx is x cube by 2, which is equal to sin x. That means x cube is equal to 2 sin x. Then you need to find number of solution. So for this type of question, you need to draw the graph, and then you will get number of solution of this question. So 2 sin x graph like this. This goes up to 2 and this minus 2. This is pi, minus pi, 0. Now if you draw the graph of x cube like this. So how many solutions? 1, 2, 3. So number of solutions are 3. Next question from complex number, and we need to find z1 z2 with the distinct solution of this equation. Then find the mod z1 square plus z2 square, mod z2 square. So first of all, find z1 and z2 from here. So we will get z is equal to, apply quadratic formula, minus 4 plus minus b square means 16, minus 4ac will become minus of minus plus 4, a is 1 and c is 1 plus 12 iota, whole divided by 2a. So a is 1 here, z is equal to, now simplify, take common 4 from here and then divide by 2. You will get minus 2 plus minus under root 5 plus 12y. Now you need to find here a square root of complex number. So how to find a square root of complex number? You know, suppose this is under root 5 plus 12y is equal to x plus iota y. Then a square both side, you will get 5 plus 12y is equal to x square minus y square plus 2xy times iota. Now compare, you will get x square minus y square is equal to 5 and 12 is equal to xy, 2xy. So xy will become 6. So product of two numbers is 6 and a square of their difference is 5. That means numbers are 3 and 2. Okay, so you can take x3 y2, or you can simplify. So this will become z is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3 plus 2 iota. Now Z1 will become 1 plus 2 iota, and Z2 will become separate with plus sign and minus sign. Z2 will become minus 5 minus 2 iota. So mod Z1 square plus mod Z2 square will become how much? 5 plus from here 25 plus 4 29. So you will get 34 is your correct answer for this question. Now next question from trigonometry, and you need to find number of values of theta which belongs to minus pi to pi. So trigonometric equation. First of all, multiply both sides by 2, and this side and this side, and then apply 2 cos c cos d. You will get cos c plus d means 7 theta by 2 plus cos c minus d, you will get 3 theta by 2 is equal to, from here you will get cos c plus d how much? Cos 21 theta by 2 plus cos c plus d will be, cos c minus d will become how much? Cos 7 theta by, so cos 7 theta by 2. You can cancel it. Okay, so this will become cos 3 theta by 2 is equal to cos 21 theta by 2. Now take one side, you will get cos 21 theta by 2 is minus cos 3 theta by 2 is equal to 0. Now cos c minus cos d you can apply here. Cos c minus cos d will become how much? Minus time 2 sin c plus d by 2. You will get 24 by 4, 6 theta into sin c minus d by 2. How much? 18 by 4 means 9 by 2 theta equal to 0. So from here you will get sin, either sin theta, sin 6 theta is equal to 0, or sin 9 theta by 2 is equal to 0. So sin 6 theta 0 means 6 theta is equal to n pi. So theta is equal to n pi by 6. Now put you will get theta from here, n0, 1 means pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6. And these are positive part. Negative also you can take, because you need to take minus pi to plus pi. So how many angles? 6 positive, 6 negative, 12 and 1 0. 13. Total 13 angles from here. Now second, sin 9 theta by 2 is also 0. That means 9 theta by 2 is equal to k pi, where k is integer. So theta will become how much? 2k pi by 9. So you will get theta is equal to 2 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9, 8 pi by 9. So 3 positive and 3 negative. So total 6. So 13 plus 6, how many? Total 19 elements are possible in this set. Now next question. Next question from a variable x takes value 0 to 6 up to n into n minus 1, and frequencies are given. If mean of the data is 60, then you need to find median. How to find? Look here, this is 0, this is 1 into 2, and this is 2 into 3, like this given, n into n minus 1. Okay, and frequencies are also given here. So your mean will become sigma xi fi whole divided by summation fi. This is your mean. So multiply 0 times nc0, 2 times nc2, nc1, and like this. So you will get summation r into r minus 1 times ncr, r equal to 0 to n whole divided by summation fi, sum of these all nc0, nc1, nc2 up to ncn. You will get 2 to the power n. Now simplify. If you simplify, r is equal to 0 to n. Now take this one, r ncr. We know that r ncr is equal to how much? N into n minus 1 cr minus 1, and use this. There you will get your answer. If you write r ncr as n times n minus 1 cr minus 1, and one more r minus 1 is remaining, whole divided by 2 to the power n. Again r minus 1, n minus 1 cr minus 1 will become how much? Summation n into n minus 1, n minus 2 cr minus 2, r is equal to 2 to n whole divided by 2 to the power n. Now simplify. You will get n into n minus 1 into 2 to the power n minus 2 whole divided by 2 to the power n is equal to how much given? Mean is given 60. Now n into n minus 1 by 4 is equal to 60. So from here n is equal to, you will get 16. So n is 16. So what is the, if you put n 16, start from 0, means total number of terms are 17. So what is the median? Median is middle term, and middle term is total number of term n by 2 plus 1, which is 16 by 2, t9, and t9 is what? Look here, tn is n into n minus 1, so t9 will become 9 into 8, 72 is your answer. Second option for this question. Now